Welcome to Profit Channels. This is my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and I don't give financial advice. Today I'm talking about HP, Helmerich and Payne. HP, 6.4% dividend yield. They are in drilling solutions and technologies. A good price to earnings ratio, price to sales ratio. Looks like a value. And we have good asset liability balances. If I look at the forecast, we've got 16 analysts forecasting 10 to 68% increase. There's the monthly. This is the monthly channel. We are in the bottom of it. It's got a good midline. And we have this matching distances here. The 200 period moving average, basically the same distance. It could come down here and touch this line before it goes up. If I look at a fib retracement from here to here, we're exactly at 2. That's a nice rounded number. If I look at extent, let me go to the hold on. Let me see. We got another channel here. Let's go down to the weekly. So we close this gap. We just broke. We're well below all these moving averages. If I go to the daily, we have broken this downtrend and have retested it, but we could come down here. You know, this is looking pretty good. Several bottoms here in the short term, and in the medium term, you can see that it's almost a double bottom, but that's where it could come all the way down and be this other bottom. If I do an extension from here, this is a pretty nice line. And what I like about it is we got these points of control. So fib extension from here to the top, back down here. This puts us 0.618 right on this point of control. You can see down here, we've got a short-term point of control where we're at right now. These lines all kind of line up decently. But if I drag this down, let's say we went to the bottom, those lines also line up pretty nice. So, maybe a half position here and a half position down here, or wait and see if it comes down here. If we get to the daily, let me hide some of this. We got these. We are pinching in here and battling with this 50-day. And you can see the volume at this price level is really high. So this could be the bottom, or it could come down some more. If I look at this chart on the monthly, it's pretty bearish everywhere, top to bottom. Weekly, we're seeing glimmers of hope. So MACD's trying to come up. Squeeze momentum is less bearish. And our RSI was overbought and starting to move up. We do have a buy signal right here with the parabolic SAR. Earnings should be coming out on Wednesday. They look positive. Now, if I go to the daily, you can see that RSI is moving up. Our squeeze momentum is getting less and less bearish. And our MACD is trying to cross up into the positive area. On the monthly here, we are well below. You can see well below again. Our moving average. Money flow is trying to come up, but this is all pretty bearish looking. That's stochastic, awful. But when we go to the weekly, we can see now we're starting to move up, tapering down, moving up. We're below our Bollinger Band, so that would indicate that we're getting ready to move up. And our stochastics is just coming up slightly. So let's go to the day, and here, this looks like an accumulation phase. So we were out of the Bollinger Band, we're back in. I'd like to see us head up to this trend line. Everything in here is a little bearish, so we could easily see this guy coming down to here, and that would definitely be a get in spot. Our volume's huge here, but I'd like to see it in a point of control, but I'd like to see our volumes popping up here, which they aren't really doing at this point. So this is a really interesting one to keep an eye on. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.